Welcome back, everybody. Happy Monday. And today we're going to look at some Bitcoin. Are we reversing out of here, or is there going to be a bit more downside? I'll have a look at that. And alt of today is UFT, and with the mainnet coming soon, if I am correct, should be pretty interesting to see what the price action is telling us. So immediately here, if you guys can notice this wick here, if this wick today does get broken towards the upside, I'll be looking for continuation, just this wick here. So if the candle can pop up here and break this wick, I will look for continuation up to 57,000, and that will obviously add a resolution because on the 4 hour it's very clear that we can see that we're still putting in another higher low, right? So as soon as we close above this $56,000 pivot, it's looking good for price action. Now we did come down here and play off this area here, which we were expecting yesterday, and we are playing off it nicely. Looks like 4 hour momentum is still turned down though, so I don't know. I have a bit of mixed feeling. You can see it's quite up and down price action. I don't really know what to say, to be honest, at this current positioning. It's a very 50-50. But what I can say for sure is that if we do start turning down and break, especially below this area here at 54,000, I do expect us probably even to come all the way down to 51,000. I do think it will cause that. But if we do close above this $56,000 pivot, then I do think we pop up and then we start the reversal all the way back up to all-time high. And, after all-time high, we continue up and onwards. I mean, looking at structure here, it's looking very clean. Uh, let's see, weekly, yeah, weekly putting in a low here. I mean, there's not much that I can see from the weekly itself, but yeah, it's looking like good price action, guys. Looking at CMEs, there is a gap still down here at 54,000, which so we could have a wick down, and that's why I'm not feeling too sure about it. But at the end of the day, we could just bounce out of here. But I do think we come down and fill that. It would make more sense. But Bitcoin, pretty much same analysis, guys. We're still in that range, getting a bit of an upside move now, but easily can get rejected, come back down, fill out this area here at 54,000. So let's go have a look at UFT. Unilend. Is it here already? Yep, there it is. So we start with the daily time frame, right? And the daily time frame here, it's an ugly chart, to be honest. It's not great. Putting in a lower low, a lower high here. If this candle closes like so, 4 hour, 4 hour looks somewhat a little bit more decent. We have this pivot coming up here like so, and we can draw a nice horizontal there. I would like to see price get above there. We also have a counter trend line popping up something like so, and it's very clear to see that if we do break this line to the downside, I do see us coming down maybe to 2.5. But if we do continue up and onwards here and break out to here, then you could easily see a nice breakout structure on increasing volume, of course, to practically all-time highs, right? So that could be quite good, but to be honest, a bit of a messy chart, not much volume in here, a lot of squiggly price action. So we'll see how this plays out. Anyways, with that being said, that's all I have to say about a pretty clear chart, pretty clear what I'm looking for. Break this line to the downside, we're coming down to the next support. Well, anyways, take care, like, subscribe, share this video, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.